guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glory back with another video. In today's video, it's gonna be a super chill kind of sit down with me video. It's gonna be sharing with you guys my tips and my tricks on how I grew my hair. If you've been following my channel or my Instagram for a while, you saw how short my hair was this time last year and how my hair has grown. I've been getting a lot of DMs, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna share with you how I was able to grow my hair. Before we go ahead and get started, if you like curly hair videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on my social handles. I will leave them somewhere here on the screen. And let's go ahead and get right into this video. So everybody's hair growth is different. There's some people who has hair that grows very fast and some that grow much slower. Me personally, I feel like I'm kind of in the middle, but more on the slow end. My hair typically takes a very long time to grow, and this year all of the things that I did really helped my hair grow. I've had short hair for a very long time. The last time my hair was even anywhere past here was probably elementary school. So this is pretty big for me, and I'm really happy that I was able to grow my hair pretty fast. So I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my tips. Let's just get right into it. So the first thing that I did was I drank a lot more water. They do say you are supposed to drink half of your body weight in ounces. Personally for me, I drink about a gallon of water a day. I try to start really early so I'm able to finish by the afternoon. For me, I feel like drinking a lot more water has helped me immensely, not only for my hair, but for my nails, my skin, and just overall my health. I used to have a lot of sugary drinks and soda and all of that. I really stopped and have noticed a lot of things happening, which is my hair growing, my skin. I've noticed my pimples have disappeared. Just drinking a lot of water has helped me in so many ways and just feel a lot more motivated and energized throughout the day. So I definitely recommend drinking more water. Another thing that I did was scalp massaging. If you don't know what scalp massaging is, let me go ahead and put you on. So basically what you do is you take any kind of hair oil you like, you put a bit on your hands and you use your fingertips to just get in there and massage your scalp. I like to do this at least 3 times a day, and that's just because I'm a complete fanatic when it comes to scalp massages. I love doing them, and personally for me, I suffer from anxiety, so I found that that really helps to just calm me, de-stress. It helps blood circulation to promote healthy hair growth. So I really feel like scalp massages has helped for me. I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys some of my favorites, and I have a lot, so bear with me. But let me share with you guys some of my favorite oils. So I was not lying. These are some of my favorite oils. The first one is one that I've used for like 2 years now. Obviously you can tell that I'm already done with my 3rd bottle. And this is the Hairfinity Nourishing Botanical Oil. I got this one with the mask that I use and I absolutely love it. It has a really nice minty smell and it also just feels very refreshing on the hair. This one has almond oil, jojoba oil, peppermint oil, rosemary, olive oil, a lot of different oils. And it does have a dropper, which I really like, so I can really get in there. I just love using this one to scalp massage, so this is my one that I use a lot. Another one I really love is this one, and if you have a dry itchy scalp, this one is one that you should steer towards. This is the Curls Blueberry and Mint Tea Scalp Treatment. I honestly love this. It has made such a difference when I have itchy scalp. It's super soothing and it smells like blueberry and mint, which I love. If you suffer from itchy scalp, this one is the one to get. I love it, and I'll definitely be purchasing more of these. But I've had this for a while, and I haven't even made a dent in the bottle, so it's just really good. This one has organic blueberry seed oil, corn mint, and coconut oil to soothe and refresh dry, itchy scalp. I typically use this one to massage into my scalp before shampooing. This is a scalp treatment, so really like this one. Another one I love is the Kurleebelle Tropical Oils Blend. This one has sweet almond oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, argan oil, castor oil, moringa oil. This one has so many oils. I use this to seal my hair, but I also like to use it as a scalp massaging oil. I really love it, and as a hot oil treatment, it is amazing. So another one I really recommend, especially if you like those kind of like fruity smells. This one is so good. The next one I've been reaching for a lot more lately, and you guys have also seen it in a previous video, is the Dominican Forbidden Oil from Bomba Curls. I really like this, and this is actually targeted for hair growth, I believe. I've been using this mostly at night. I've been using this oil and I really love it. It is infused with pure coffee seed and castor oil, which is great for the hair. I really recommend this one. And I also have been loving lately this one from the Innate life. This is the Rose Hair Elixir, and it has 15 plus organic oils. Smells just like roses. I love that. I love a good like rose flowery smell, and this one is definitely it. Just smells so good. And it's definitely become one of my favorites. So if you like rose smells, this one is definitely a go-to. And I have more. Honestly, I'm a hoarder, but these are the ones that I use a lot more. So yeah, if you decide to get any of these, I can't even pick. I love them all, but like if you have dry itchy scalp, this one is definitely a go-to. The next thing that I use that I noticed has made a really big difference in my hair has been biotin, taking biotin pills. I've noticed a lot of benefits from this in my skin, in my nails, and in my hair. I'm not recommending this to everybody. Everybody is different. I know some friends who have actually taken these and it has broke them out. So just be mindful of that. But for me personally, I found that it has helped me grow my hair, and I've noticed a big difference in my nails as well. So I like this one. I get this one from Walmart at the gummy ones because I don't like the pill version. I just found that it has helped me. So personally for me, it worked for me. Another thing that I was doing throughout the year, and I don't do it as often just because of the smell, is rice water. Basically what I do is take a cup of rice and I use cold water. I mix it until it's kind of milky, and I'll add essential oils, and I'll just put it away in like a jar and kind of ferment it for about 3 to 7 days. And then I'll take it out, drain it, and then put it in a spray bottle, spray my hair, and leave it on for a couple of hours. A lot of curly girls use that method, and for me, I actually personally found that it worked. I just do recommend putting in an essential oil for the smell because it does smell. And the next thing is to focus on your scalp when you're showering. Honestly, there is such a thing as scalp buildup. I highly recommend just taking the time in the shower to really focus on your scalp. Don't co-wash as often. I co-wash maybe once a month, twice a month. In the summer, a bit more. But co-washing can actually make your situation worse and not remove the buildup. So make sure that you use a good clarifying shampoo to remove any buildup on the scalp. I do have my favorite shampoo video here on YouTube, so make sure that you go ahead and check that out to see some of my favorites. Also, I love to use a scalp massager as well to just really get in there. This helps to also promote healthy hair growth by helping the blood to circulate on your scalp. And also, it's just really helpful in removing any buildup. So I highly suggest buying one of these. I got this one, I believe, for $6 on Shop Ponyfly. I will link all this stuff below. This makes my showers so much better and so much more relaxing. I love this. So just make sure that you're focusing more on your scalp when you're showering. And last but not least, patience. It's not gonna happen in night and day. Hair growth is a very, very long process. For me personally, my hair grows very slow, and I understand how frustrating that can be. But you need to have patience to be able to get the results that you want. And also just taking care of yourself really helps. So try these tips. Let me know in the comments down below if they worked for you. Maybe I'll do an update video on my hair growth in a year from now. But personally, I found my hair has grown so much. It's the longest that I've ever had it in my life. since like elementary school. So update me if any of these tips help you. But we finally reached the end of this video. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and also go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure to click that notifications button so you can know when I post my next video. But thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.